On June 5, 2021, a construction crew in Changsha, China showed up to an empty lot. 28 hours and 45 minutes later, a 10-story residential building was standing on it. Fully assembled, electricity ready, water running, apartments finished inside. Not a shell. A complete building, built faster than most people complete a road trip. This is Broad Group. And the man behind it never worked a day in construction. He ran an air conditioning company. The earthquake that changed everything. Zhang Yue is the chairman of Broad Group, one of China's largest manufacturers of central air conditioning systems. Then on May 12, 2008, a magnitude 8.0 earthquake struck Sichuan province. Nearly 70,000 people lost their lives. Tens of thousands of concrete buildings collapsed. Schools, hospitals, apartment blocks. Zhang Yue went to the disaster zone and saw something that rewired him. Concrete is rigid. When the ground moves violently, it does not flex. It snaps. And when it snaps, everyone inside dies. He came back from Sichuan and asked one question: why are we still building this way? He took his engineering team, his factory floor, his entire supply chain, everything built for air conditioning, and pointed it at one goal. A building system that goes up fast, survives anything, and never touches concrete. How you build a skyscraper in a factory. Every component, walls, floors, windows, plumbing, electrical, air filtration, interior fixtures, is manufactured inside a factory in Changsha, not prefabricated in rough sections. Fully completed to machine precision in a controlled indoor environment where weather does not exist, and every weld is automated. The modules are the size of standard shipping containers. They travel anywhere using existing container logistics with no special permits. A building module travels the same way a refrigerator travels. It arrives on a truck. A crane lifts it into position. Workers bolt it to the adjacent module like an industrial zipper, locking floor to floor. Utility hookups connect in minutes because the plumbing and electrical were already installed at the factory. Then the crane lifts the next one. At full speed, 3 floors per day. A 10-story building in under 48 hours. A 26-story residential tower, 208 fully furnished apartments, completed in 5 days in January 2024. Electricity and water were ready before the last crane left the site. Subscribe and stay with us, because what this building can actually survive is the part that silences every skeptic. Built to survive a magnitude 9 earthquake. The Holon building is tested to withstand a magnitude 9 earthquake. Not designed. Tested. Independently verified by the China Academy of Building Research. The stainless steel frame has 95 times the corrosion resistance of carbon steel. Energy consumption runs 80 to 90% lower than a conventional building. Indoor air is filtered to 100 times cleaner than outside. The expected structural lifespan is 1,000 years. Most modern concrete buildings are designed for 50 to 100. Zhang Yue watched concrete kill 70,000 people in Sichuan. The building he built in response does not use a single gram of it. At the end of life, every module disassembles, ships anywhere, and reassembles. Construction waste drops by over 90%. The building that killed people in 2008 and the building that replaced it are separated by one man who refused to accept that this was simply how things had to be done. Why the world is still building the old way. In London, a residential tower takes 3 years. In New York, 2 to 3 years. In Sydney, 18 months minimum. Same bottleneck everywhere. Labor shortages, weather delays, site accidents, and the fundamental inefficiency of building something complicated outdoors. Broad Group system eliminates every one of those bottlenecks simultaneously. Not a marginal improvement. A different process entirely. And yet, most of the world is still pouring concrete the same way it did 50 years ago, because regulation has not caught up. Building codes were written around concrete and timber, not factory-assembled steel. Unions push back. Developers have supply chains they will not abandon. Change at this scale threatens industries worth trillions. So the gap keeps widening. China builds a 26-story tower in 5 days. A mid-rise in London takes 3 years from permit to keys. Same planet, same decade, completely different centuries. The founder of MR, the developer behind the Burj Khalifa, visited Broad's factory in 2023, and signed a partnership before he left. Plans are in place for Ohio, Texas, and California. On January 11, 2024, the last module of a 26-story tower was bolted into place in Xiangyin, China. The crane operator lowered the hook. The workers packed their tools. The building was done. It had taken 5 days. In London, the planning application would still be pending.